Bonjour beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn French with Adhya. Today in this video I'm back with the part 2 of my first video of revising with numbers. That part was really fun and I had to make a part 2 as I stated in that video, so here I am. So this part looks kind of tough because the numbers are kind of random, but it's not as tough as you think. So let's get started. The first one is 450, and as I told you in my previous video that it's better when you break these numbers down, just like how we did in childhood when we learned English. So 400 plus 50. So if you remember, 100 was 100, and whenever we had numbers like 400 or anything like that, we would say 100 multiplied by that number. So if it's like 400, that would be like 100 into 4, or 4 into 100, that's how we say it. So it's going to be, in this case in French, 400, okay? So 400. So that way we are done with 400. Then we have the second part of this number left, which is 50. And 50 is 50, so easy peasy. We're done with the first one already. Now come to the next one, 85. Okay, so this number sort of follows like a different rule, all right? So in this case, it's for 85, the rule is that we say 4 into 20 for 80. So that way you reach 80. So 80, and then we add the digit in once. So over here we have 5, so it will be 5. If it was 4, it will be 84. Okay, so in this case, we'll say 80 plus 5, and 80 itself is like, wait, let me put it here. Okay, okay. So 80 itself is broken down into what? 4 into 20. So this entire number, 85, is basically this. So that will be 85. Alright, then we have 2000. That's really easy. If you remember, we said 1000 was me. So if it's mille, you say mille into 2, because since you have 2 over here, so that will be the mille. So we did this number in the previous part 1 as well, so I'm pretty sure you remember the answer already, and you know that by heart as well, the concept. Okay, 73. So that's pretty easy. Just like 50, we have a particular word for 50. For 73, we have a word as well. Actually, we don't. 73 is basically like this, okay? So 60 is 60 plus 13, which is 13, okay? So if it would have been 72, it would be 72. So we say 60 plus 12. If it would have been 11, then 60 plus 11, that would be 60 ons, okay? Now 567. So 567 is 500 plus 60 plus 7. 500 in French is 500, because 100 multiplied by 5, right? 60, we know, 60, that's what we did over here as well. And then 7, because that's 7. So that's it. Wow, we're done with numbers. That was interesting. I hope you understood these two concepts of 73 and 85. I'm pretty sure that might be a bit confusing for you. So there was videos about it, but now I'm going to make a particular video just about rules of number, because those videos which had the rules of the number were also like basically just like learning and memorizing numbers. So I'm going to be back with the part 3 of this video, which is going to be talking about the rules of the number. Alright, so I hope you understood what we learned in this video, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and ring the notification bell. And also, if you have any doubts, make sure to comment down below in the comment section, and I'll be more than happy to help you out. See you all in my next video. Till then, take care and